د وطن دفاع د وطن دفاع لکه المنځ بکړم له دښمن.
Economic growth. If we look at the economic growth situation of the country in the last 20 years, the country's economic growth was largely dependent on foreign aid. Despite that large amounts of aid, there hasn't been any basic work done in the field of agriculture, industry, and production. That's why we don't have a positive effect on the economic growth. The economic growth in the year 2021 was lower than the year 2020. The factors were the occupation of the country and pandemic and the corrupt system ruling here. In the last 2 decades, no such fundamental work has been done to have a positive effect on economic growth in the long run. It's been a year since the arrival of the new government of Afghanistan, and efforts have been made to improve the overall economic situation.